Okay guys, so this is my routine. Every day a wildflower right there. It's dying. Right there it's dying. I give it some sunlight, it's dying. But now, in this mug, I'm going to give it the water it needs. That's basically my routine. Give it to the windows near the sun, give it some water, and it's basically my routine. Let's pour a little bit. Wait, I don't want to be looking at the camera because then take it on. Okay, look at all that on the bottom too. Loads of it. This is my wildflower, and when it's finished, I'll show you guys on video. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos.